I'm Jit Wei, a student from the Nanyang Business School. Let me take you around NTU's newest building, Gaia. This is Asia's largest wooden building. It has a floor area of over 40,000 square meters, around 6 football fields. By using mass-engineered timber that was fabricated off-site, the carbon footprint from constructing Gaia was reduced. The timber is exposed, with no cladding or finishing, making the building more environmentally friendly since less paint is used. These red bricks were salvaged from the Innovation Center, which used to be where Gaia now is. This grand staircase is one of Gaia's main features. Take in the view as you get to your classes. After a long day of school, check out the view from one of the roof terraces for some stress relief.